Hello everyone, my name is Saksham Dixit and this is my channel Pentest Diaries. Today I'm going with the same series of lazy programming series, and in this series itself, today's video it's totally be based on the challenges I have discussed last time. This video I'll be giving a challenge. So what you have to do, you simply have to understand the challenge first, then you have to take a pause, stop the video as I'm giving the solution also in the same video itself. So I don't want you to see the solution straightforward. Try it from your side with the details which I've shared it so far in all my last 7 lectures itself, which we have covered it so far. Just try to make the stuffs from your side and then go ahead further with the solution. If you try to make it without the help of the solution, then that is far better. Then just paste that solution in the comment section of this video itself. If you're not, then in that case just go ahead further with the solution later on and try to see like what are the things which you are missing it and which you're not aware about it. So in that case, go ahead further once again back to the previous lecture, understand that concept once again and coming back once again and try to make the code with a different way, not with the same copycat. Okay, so I'll just go ahead further with that. So if I'm talking about what exactly the challenge is it. So basically in the challenge, I'll just give it a description and then I'll just let you know about how exactly the things I just wanted. Create a database and take input of a student name from the user, and in response user get the details of the student. So what exactly the challenge is it? So we have to create a database first. So database, nothing like that we have to go to SQL or MySQL, nothing like that we are supposed to do. We have to make a database first with our stuff which we have learned it so far. Then after that you have to take the input name of the student, like databases of the student, and the feature, I can say not the feature, I can say that description about the student, like whether the student is good or not. So that type of things I have just get it mapped over there itself. So the key and the values just go over there itself. Now once a user is giving a name of the student in the once compiling the code itself, then in that case that thing which we have mapped it as a value for that student, that to be get it popped on our screen, that is the actual thing which I'm looking for it. So try to make the code in such a way where we have to predefine the whole database from our side, the student, and then the name of the student, and then in front of that the nature of it. And on the basis of that, in the next section for it in the code, we have to take the input from the user, and in the input the user will have to provide the name of the student, and in the response on the same screen itself we are giving it a nature of the student itself. Okay, so that's exactly the challenge for it. So now you have to pause the video, and now we'll just go to the system now and exactly see how exactly we code it and how we compile it and how exactly we can get the output on it. Okay, sure. So let me go to the system now and show you that. Okay, so proceeding further with the solution part. So this is the actual code I'm making it. What we have to do it as per that challenge, what we have to make it, we have to make a database of the student, and in front of the student, for each and every student we have to define the nature of the student, or whatever you can call it, just to denote it. So how to denote it, like either we are giving that student is a bright student, it's just an average student, that type of thing we'll try to give it from our side. Okay, so that type of database I'll try to make it. So this is the database which is built over here itself as a type of dictionary. Okay, so you can see the keys over here itself and the value is over here itself. Okay, that is get it mapped, and at the time when a user is just put a name of the student over here itself, and that is going inside of the name. Okay, that value is going inside of the name which is coming from the user side, then this will be inside over, this is just for the representation purpose. So I'm using name, like I just wanted when that result is getting print on my screen, I wanted the name of the student for which we are looking for the nature, the name of the student. This is the thing is straightforward to be get it print, and then from the database the same name to be get it identify, and we are getting the result for it. Okay, so let me run the code now for you. Once we run it, so what we have to do, we simply have to put the name of the student, and in the response we can see as we have put it the value as bright student in school, that is the only thing we are getting in the response. Okay, So I think this is the small challenge itself, a tweak which we have learned it in our previous lecture. I just wanted that to get it implemented. So later phases when we are making a bigger code, at the time if we like to use the concept, we can use it very easily. It's not a full-fledged concept we have to use it, but just a small thing which we can use it in a later phase itself when we are making an actual code. Okay, I hope you are able to understand. If you're not, just go with that solution once again and try from other possibilities if it's possible. If you are able to solve the problem with our last 7 lecture itself, whatever the concept we have covered up, and if there is any unique solution you have it, please let me know in the comment section of this video. So thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye bye. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.